morning. We've been awake since 8, but it's 9:55 now, and my eyes are just now starting to not feel so itchy. I mean, I thought I would wake up and feel so much better today, but I was wrong. Not going to go on an eye rant today. I was just letting you guys know. So yeah, there won't be any makeup usage today. I feel like I look like I've been crying, and I have not. But nonetheless, we got to push through, and I am about to make us some breakfast, and Alden will be doing schoolwork, and then we'll be making cookies, right?
Yep. Come on, God.
Oh, I think he's going to show you something. Oh, okay. So he got this from Dollar Tree last year, and of course it was orange, and he painted it. You said brown, but that's black.
I said black. Not brown.
He painted it black.
So it could I'll show you this.
Yeah, he wanted to look more like a police officer, and police officers don't have orange guns. And of course, he's got all his Nerf guns.
And guess what?
He could have his own whole YouTube channel about Nerf guns, because he's got plenty of them.
Yeah, and guess what? About this too, and I did pull the trigger. Now do this. But when you did pull the trigger, it won't shoot no dot. You need to do this to shoot no dot, and to get no dot in here.
Alright. Gonna get going on breakfast. I need to stop touching my eyes. So, anyway, I'll pop on here in a little while. I know I said I wasn't going to talk about my eyes today, but I just have to say that I just discovered something. So I got this little face massager from Dollar Tree last year. I don't remember if it takes 1 or 2 batteries, but, you know, you turn it on, and it vibrates, and it helps with, like, puffiness and all of that. And I just discovered that it feels so incredibly good under my eyes with how itchy they are. Like, instead of rubbing my eyes raw, I can just put this underneath. It's life-changing. It feels so good. I can't even just I can't describe it. It is like heaven. I mean, my lighting is terrible, but I mean, come on. They look horrible, but this, and I was just saying to my cousin how amazing it would be if I guess if there was like a little metal part there or something, so that it could be cold as you're massaging under your eyes. I don't know. It's the best thing I've discovered today. Yeah. It feels so freaking good. No more eye talk after this. But I had to mention that because if anybody did pick one of these up from Dollar Tree when you saw them, or maybe your Dollar Tree still has them and you didn't get one, go get one. Because if your allergies act up and your eyes are really itchy, this is super helpful. But it's also just really great to, like, massage your whole face. So, amazing little tool that I've had for a year, that I've used a handful of times, but now I feel like I'm going to be using it a billion times a day, at least until my eyes get better. I'm gonna kick your butt. 1-0. So it is now Vlogmas Day 14. I decided to combine yesterday with today's because I didn't get a whole lot done yesterday because my eyes were bothering me so bad and I didn't want to keep talking about my eyes again. They're much better today. They do still bother me a little bit, but nothing like the last day and a half. So that's a good thing. It is the afternoon right now. Had a rough morning, woke up feeling really crappy, and all of that, but it's pretty gloomy outside, but it's like 63 degrees, so we're gonna go out there and enjoy it before it decides to rain. So yeah, sorry that I didn't just upload yesterday. I didn't have enough content, really, so that's why I decided to combine yesterday and today. And I did do my nails last night. I really love the silver sparkle on there. So, I don't know. I did a little self-care last night. It was Monday, so I'm making a point to do like mask and mani Mondays. So, did a face mask, I had under eye masks, and I painted my toenails, I did my nails, and even though I was feeling pretty crummy last night, it still made me feel a little bit better to do the self-care. So, that's why I'm making a point, especially in the new year, to always do my self-care because it's very important for our mental health. So anyway, we're going to go outside and I will try to vlog while we're out there. Still not going to be putting makeup on until my eyes are fully better. Not trying to, but they're not like red anymore, thank God. They do still itch a little bit, but nothing like yesterday. I could not stop rubbing them, and it was bad. So, oh, the sun's kind of coming out, but like it's still gloomy back there. I don't know. I think my phone said it's gonna rain around 4. It is 1:30 right now, so we're gonna go out for a while, and then we're actually gonna do the cookies today. Last couple days we were going to, but I felt so crummy, so I told Alden today we would get the cookies done. So that's what we're gonna do. It's so hard to believe that it's December right now. I mean, I'm wearing a jacket, but I mean, it's still 63 degrees. What kind of bug is that?
I don't know.
I wonder if we've caught this kind of bug at Animal Crossing. What do you think?
Yeah, but we had to catch it.
Where's your bug house?
Oh, we go get it. Get the get my wallet, please. He knew it.
We caught him. What the heck? You okay? Yeah. Ah! 6-3. Yeah. Well, you still scored. Ah! 7-3.
I'm not going to win.
You're so close to winning. First batch is done. This gingerbread man looks like he ate all the other cookies while he was in the oven. The aftermath, and this was just after one type of cookie. We were gonna do all of them, but I don't have the last ingredient I need for the gingerbread cookies, and I think we'll save the other cookies for another day. That way we have more days to do cookies, right?
Yeah.
Because it's so much fun. We want to spread the fun out for more days. Alright guys, as you've probably noticed, I went ahead and put yesterday and today's vlogs together because my eyes were still really bothering me yesterday, so I didn't really want to do much, especially with how bad they looked. So, I am doing much better now. I'm about to watch their new Vlogmas that they posted today. It's something that I look forward to every year, and in between waiting for their new days to be uploaded, I go back to their playlists from previous years and rewatch those Vlogmases because it's so like comfy and cozy. It's like watching your favorite comfort show, which for me is I Love Lucy. But like I love watching this. I love vlogs because like you see somebody's like real everyday life and it's interesting. And so yeah, I love their Vlogmases. I highly recommend them. They usually alternate between their channels. Like day one would be on Jessica Braun's, and then day two would be on Tyler's, which is her husband. But all of them are on Tyler's channel this year because Jessica wanted to be able to upload more of her normal content on her channel. But his channel is Tyler Travels TV, in case you're interested. Or you can go to Jessica Braun's channel if you don't subscribe to her already. And there should be a playlist where these are, but there's also past Vlogmases from like last year, the year before, and all of that. So anyways, I'm gonna watch this and get ready to go to bed, but I should continue to vlog tomorrow and post as normal because I am feeling much better, so that is a plus. But I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Good night.